Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2020 Hyundai Tucson Preferred. Coming in this nice dark gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2-liter engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get a tow hitch, backup camera, roof spoiler, we do have roof rails as well, mud flaps on the rear and the front, with blind spot detection and turn light indicator mirrors, and moving to the front, have a nice license plate bracket, and that nice Hyundai grille. Taking a look in the back here, we do have plenty of cargo space. You got a 12-volt right here, little hooks, and doodads to hold your gear down. And you do get quite a bit more storage with your spare tire, and you can collapse a row if you need additional storage. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice dark gray cloth interior, plenty of door space. You have heated back seats, you got floor mats, carpeted interior, rear vents, and you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have manual seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, lights, blind spot, and lane keep, hazards, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 120,062 kilometers. We do have a heated leather-up steering wheel. You have your toggle for your screen, cruise control, phone, volume, playback, play forward, voice, and mode. And looking at your screen here, we do have our system, all-wheel drive, settings. You can go through all these fun settings. And fuel economy, driving info, your digital speedometer, fuel economy, and all that fun stuff. To my right, we have our gear select, drive modes, hill, when your drive mode you do get sport, and normal. You got cup holders, more storage here with 12 volts, aux, and a USB. Leather wrap center console with tons of storage. You have heated front seats. There's that heated steering wheel. You got your climate controls with your hazards. Storage below. Infotainment system. You have your radio, media, seek track, all that jazz. Home, phone, setup. You can connect your phone. AM, FM, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You got your media controls here. Nothing's connected, obviously. Your phone controls. I'm going to go to all menu. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, aux, music, all that fun. Back here again. Ooh, well, let me go home. Got any apps you may download? Will show up right here as well. And your vehicle setup. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B7914, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.